Has your sales career lost its luster? Are you finding no meaning and no joy in it anymore? So have you heard of the story with JFK and the janitor? John Kennedy was visiting NASA and he was talking to one of the janitors that was working there. And he, in so many words, he said, "Hey, what is your role here? What are you doing here?" And he said, the janitor, as he was cleaning the toilets, he said, "I'm helping getting a man on the moon." And you can see a glimpse into this janitor's mind of how he thought about his job is he was thinking bigger. The main reason people lose sight, and this is one of the main reasons I lost sight of my sales career, because I was too focused on the outcome, getting the money, getting the deals, closing the business, instead of the process. Sales is a process of serving people and helping people reach their goals. And if you treat it as such, you're going to find so much more fulfillment because you realize life is finite and you're providing a very important service for them to achieve their life goals. And especially when you're doing B2B sales and you're talking to other B2B salespeople, you are literally putting food on their table. You are literally putting their kids through college. You play an integral part in their development financially and hopefully mentally, because you're making them feel safe and secure, trusting you with their deals, that you're helping such an immense amount of people that you feel like your heart is opening up to serve them instead of just how can I have a transaction. When you think of sales in the terms of relationships and not transactional, it changes the game as far as your mentality and how you feel about your career and actually being excited to tackle the day because you're serving people, you're helping people, you're helping businesses grow. And so the next time you pick up the phone and you got to make a cold call, just think on the other end of that line is a person that you have one opportunity to talk to, maybe in the rest of your lifetime. And you have one opportunity to present yourself for who you really are and seeing if there's a match there. Because once you hang up the phone, you're going to go back to your life, they're going to go back to their life, and you may never cross paths on your time here on earth. I mean, to me, that's sacred. Sales to me is a sacred thing when I'm able to connect with somebody and tell them about my expertise and see if there's a match there and do it in a joyful way, because I know the moment is fleeting, the moment is passing, and there'll be another call and another person I talk to. But if you think about life in sales in the context of the moment, the opportunity, and being authentic, you can't lose and you're always going to find meaning because you're serving people. So I hope this helps. I do have a free template for my sales script. It's the one I use every day, and it starts these simple, authentic conversations.